Hi, welcome back to C's Culinary. Today I'll be showing you how to make a bechamel sauce and then turn that bechamel sauce into a cheese sauce. The basic components of a bechamel sauce are flour, butter, milk, and some spices. To make it into a cheese sauce, obviously you'll need cheese and the addition of cayenne or chili powder to your spices. Bechamel sauce is just a basic French white sauce. It's one of the 8 mother sauces. It's a good sauce to have in your repertoire. So start with your bechamel. You're going to add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter to a pot. Let that melt down. The reason you want to use unsalted and the reason that largely in cooking, especially baking recipes, but some cooking recipes call for unsalted butter is so you can control the salt amount that you add. But if you only have salted butter, just pull back on the salt a little bit. Once your butter is all melted, you're going to want to sprinkle in your flour. For bechamel sauce, you're essentially making a roux and thinning it out with hot milk. And a roux is just equal parts flour and butter that you're going to want to whisk together. You don't really want any color on this. Just whisk it until it's all incorporated. And then add your hot milk slowly while whisking. You want to whisk and just kind of stir it until it is bubbles at the sides. The flour, you got to give the flour time to thicken the sauce up. This right here is pretty much bechamel sauce. You would season it. Some people season their bechamel sauce with a little nutmeg. I don't really like nutmeg in savory application, but this is pretty much a bechamel sauce. Now we're gonna make it a cheese sauce by adding cheese. You want to turn your heat down. Whisk in half a cup of your preferred cheese. Today we're making mac and cheese, so I'm using extra sharp cheddar. You might just want to whisk that. You can turn it off the heat at this point. You're going to want to whisk it till the cheese is melted. Elbow noodles. And that is your basic bechamel mac and cheese. Now you could take this and top it with some breadcrumbs and put it in the oven if you want more of a baked mac and cheese. But today we're just going to eat it as is. Okay. Alright, and there you have it. That is your basic bechamel mac and cheese. Again, you can top this with some breadcrumbs or breadcrumbs and parsley. Put it in the oven, top it with more cheese and put it in the oven. But this is your basic French style cheese sauce over elbow noodles. Thank you for watching, and make sure you to like and subscribe and check out our other videos to learn more.